One really nice thing that can maximize the amount of space that you have available on a screen is to look at your document and go to View and checking or unchecking print layout. Usually print layout will be on by default, and of course this makes sense if you're going to be printing out your document. Here I go through, and here's the page break, here's page 2, there's another page break, here's page 3, and etc., etc. However, I have a lot of documents that I have no intention of printing out whatsoever. Stuff with links, there's no need for me to print it. In that case, going up to View and unchecking print layout is actually going to be really beneficial. I can still see that there's a bit of a page break right here. What this does is it sort of treats it as one continuous flow document. That's a really, really handy thing when you're trying to maximize the amount of real estate that you have. Now, this is going to make even more of a difference. I'm going to show what happens if I uncheck it. Let's go to page setup, and if I had a wider margin, like a 1-inch margin on my document here, look at all this real estate that's been wasted. Okay, yeah, obviously maybe the margins left and right weren't the best, but whenever I have this print layout right there, I lost all of this space right here on screen. So then going to View, print layout is really handy because then there is no actual break, and I can just see what I'm typing is a continuation of the previous thing. So for documents that you're not going to be printing out, it's probably best to get used to seeing them like this. And even for ones that you are going to print out, this makes it a lot easier to edit, and then before you actually go through the print, you can go in and check to see how it will look with print layout.